Okay, we're going to take the Fimi X8 SE 2020 up for a spin here after the firmware update.
Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. With that, let's begin. The Fimi X8 SE 2020 recently had a firmware update. Now this firmware update was to help improve the follow me function. A number of people have reported some issues after the firmware update, not in particularly regarding the follow me function, so I went ahead and I took it up for a test flight. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety.
Okay, we're going to take the Fimi X8 SE 2020 up for a spin here after the firmware update. I'd like to let it loiter here. It's around 14 feet and it's pretty stable. Not a lot of wind today. And we're going to do something different as far as flying out over the lake. Let's get it up to about 100 here. Okay, we're right around 100. Let's get recording going. Okay, recording is underway. Now let's go ahead and really want to check to see here. This was for big update for follow me, but I want to make sure that, because I've seen a lot of other people say things about I've seen a lot of other people make comments that it's been really kind of wonky in other areas. So we're going to take it down for a good test flight here. Heading down to the far corner of the lake on my side. Thing looking very good so far. Approaching the end of the lake there. Okay, so far so good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to point it towards the other end of the lake, and then we're going to go along the back edge here, so to speak, to try to avoid the area where I'm getting the interference from. So let's go ahead and do that. Right around 114 feet. Right around 22 miles an hour. Looking very good. It's actually bright enough that I have to stand in the shade today. Over 2,000 feet away, looking signal strong, looking good. No issues whatsoever with that. $2,500 feet, looking very good. Okay, I did get a fail-safe return at 2,500 feet there, so they're going to be executing a return to home now, and I do have a loss of signal, so we're going to execute that fail-safe return now and head home. And again, another loss of signal here. We are heading back. We're about 1,600 feet out, 114 feet in altitude, 22 miles an hour. or 20 miles an hour. $1,100 feet out. $600 out. We should start hearing the drone any minute now. And we are hearing it. I'm going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal. Hopefully we can get a precision landing in here. Landing pad not detected. Landing pad not detected. Landing pad detected now. Let's see if we can get this here. Making course corrections here as we speak. And it looks like it's going to be a solid on the mat here. All right, precision landing did work. Okay, very interesting flight here.
Well, it looks like my old friend visited me again when I hit that certain part of the lake. I lost my signal and I went ahead and returned home. My suspicion is that Fimi needs to put some type of better shielding in there to try to block out those signals. Question of the day. What do you think is responsible for the loss of signal with the Fimi X8 SE 2020? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.